2015 Ford Fiesta water pump replacement. So basically, a part of the water pump has got a timing chain on it, a timing belt on it, tensioner. So you need to take it off, but you have to have the special tool to lock the gears, like that, something like that, to lock the gears. So basically, there is a lot of videos. It says if you go underneath of the engine over there, there is a 10 mm screw. You need to take it off and use the locker like that. But I had a hard time to find out. So in this design, this kind of screw right here, it's located right behind here, behind the CV axle. And see, I take it off, just hand tight. And this is the tool. Basically, this is the tool, and like I said, this is the bolt goes to the engine. So basically, if you want to do that, so you take that off with the 10 mm, and you go here, and you go here, put this one back in there. Let me see if I can show it to you. Right there, and just hand tight it. When you hand tight this one all the way in, and you have the camshaft locked, and then look, so you turn it clockwise, don't turn it counterclockwise. Listen, see, it's locked. This is it. This is the top dead center. So you can go ahead and put the new tensioner, a new belt, and new water pump, and you're all set. This is all about it. So basically, again, that's kind of confusing, very, very confusing when it comes to the Ford timing belt 1.6, and this is the situation. So that's all you need to do. Basically, again, take this off, put that one back in there, hand tight that. There is a bunch of other tools, but none of them is gonna work, so this is just like universal. But again, like this one, there is no top dead center or mark or anything on the specifications. So I got like print all the papers from this dealer, but still it's not gonna help. This is the situation. So basically, again, you put this one back in there. My case, I just messed it up because when I take that cover off, the timing belt came off. So I had to redo it very, very carefully. Turn the timing chain, turn the crankcase, and at the same time rotate this one and this one very, very carefully to avoid hitting the valve to the piston. And then you have that screw. Take off the cylinder number 1 spark plug, and you're gonna see it's all the way on the top. So basically, this is the situation. Again, thank you guys for watching. Shoot me a text message, leave a comment down below if you have any question or concern. I'm always be happy to help, and just see you next time. Thank you guys again.